Have you ever thought, I'm pretty sure that restaurant was around here somewhere? Started walking, and then found yourself completely lost in a maze of streets that all look the same? That kind of thing happens a lot in Chiang Mai. Even once you know the area, it's easy to lose your way. Today, I'm going to show you how to completely eliminate that anxiety about getting lost. There are just 3 things to do. 1. Register your home in Google Maps. 2. Use filters to narrow down your options. And 3. Use Live View to walk without getting lost. Master these 3 things, and your walks around Chiang Mai will become so much more enjoyable. First, let's register your home in Google Maps. Once you do, the moment you open the map, your home becomes your starting point. For today's example, I'll use Maya Mall in Nimin as a stand-in for home. Registration is simple. Open Google Maps and tap Saved at the bottom of the screen. Then select Labeled, and you'll see an option called Home. Tap it and enter your address. That's all there is to it. From that point on, every search will start from here. Now that your home is registered, it's time to find a place to eat. Type restaurant into the search bar. Restaurants near your home will instantly appear all over the map. You might feel a little overwhelmed at first. There are a lot of pins, but this is where the real work begins.
Too many pins and you can't choose, right? That's where filters come in. Tap the filter icon. First, tap Open Now. This narrows things down to only places that are open right at this moment, so you'll never have that heartbreaking experience of walking all the way there only to find it's closed.
Next, set the rating filter to 4.0 stars or higher. Those stars represent trust built up by users around the world who have actually eaten and drunk there. Filter to 4.0 and above, and the chances of ending up somewhere disappointing drop dramatically. Finally, tap Apply. Once the filter is applied, you might be surprised to discover hidden gems within a 10-minute walk from home that you've never been to before. I had no idea there was a place like this so close by. That kind of discovery becomes one of the best parts of going for a walk. When you find a place that catches your eye, tap to open its detail page. There are 4 things to check: photos, number of reviews, distance, and hours. Just these 4 will tell you a lot about the place before you even set foot inside.
Once you've decided on a place, it's time to head out. Instead of regular navigation, try using Live View. Live View uses your phone's camera to show you the world around you, with arrows overlaid directly on the actual street in front of you. It's far more intuitive than staring at a map while you walk.
Here's how to launch it. Select the place you want to go, tap Directions, then choose the walking icon. Then just tap the Live View button that appears at the bottom of the screen. Your camera will activate, and navigation will start immediately. Once Live View is running, arrows appear right on top of the actual alley or street in front of you. Turn right here. Keep going straight. It all shows up in the exact scene you're looking at. No more stopping and wondering, was it this way?
I really want you to experience this feeling for yourself. That vague, I think it's around here somewhere anxiety transforms into a clear, confident, I just need to turn here. That's the biggest reason to use Live View.
One thing to keep in mind, Live View works best outdoors during the day. It works by recognizing the buildings and surroundings around you to determine your location, so it can struggle at night or in dark places. Since most Chiang Mai walks happen during the day, this shouldn't be an issue in most situations.
Here's one more thing I'd love you to try. Did you know there's a search bar inside the review section of a shop's detail page? Type Japanese in there, and only reviews written by Japanese people will appear. Since their tastes tend to be similar to ours, you'll find reviews that are much more relevant to what you're looking for. Also, take a look at the Photos tab. You'll find a full spread of photos of the actual dishes being served. The moment you spot something and think, that's what I want to eat, that little thrill makes the whole walk even more exciting. You're already feeling the anticipation before you've even left home. Filter, read reviews, check the food photos. That's all it takes to feel 80% confident before you go. And that confidence alone makes your walk dramatically more satisfying.
The 3 steps I want you to remember from today are search, filter, confirm with reviews. Once you run through this flow once, it'll become second nature. You don't need to worry about getting lost anymore. Google Maps will guide you every step of the way. Head out into the streets of Chiang Mai with nothing but excitement. Here's today's summary. 1. Register your home to set your base. 2. Use filters to find hidden gems. 3. Use live view to walk without getting lost. Keep these 3 things in mind. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If this video was helpful in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with more tips on life in Chiang Mai, so I hope to see you next time.